I know. We've said this. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're finally back. Okay, now for the 1000th time, we are finally back. Finally, no, like this one is for real. For real. No, jokes apart. Yeah, for real, we are back, guys. And the thing is that we are gotten to the second half of the year, and we want to really try and take YouTube seriously. And mind you, I know that we said that we are going to take YouTube seriously from January. Yes, 1 month away, please. I can send it from June. 1 month away, June. Right? January and June is adding up. Period. So, you guys, we are going to try and start posting on YouTube. Yeah. So the thing is that we're going to show you how we spend our life as twin sisters together. Yeah, so we're going to be dropping this, like, I think probably Saturday, right? We'll get to YouTube. It will be Saturday or Sunday. Like Sunday, fine. So that on Saturday we can edit and phone. And we're going to try and show you guys our life. Yeah, like, yes, like just us living together. And because, yeah, as twin sisters. What do you think? As you can see, first of all, this hair on our hair, like, it's so bad. Like, I know you are staring at this hair. I know that. But chances are, you know, we're going to get rid of it. The next thing we want to do, we actually want to get rid of it because we are wig influencers, hair influencers, and we have some wigs coming in and we need to promote for this brand. Exactly. So we need to change it here to just cornrows before we can start installing it. And yes, that's about that. We showed you our life this morning. Yeah, we're going to try and be consistent and be posting. And I really hope that you guys can, you know, stay tuned and enjoy. I really don't know how this works. Like, we are always used to Instagram and TikTok, YouTube Short. Yeah. But YouTube is like totally another platform. It's really another platform. And we really want to take this seriously. If other creators can do it, goodness and mercy, we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Period.
The moment I choose to be grateful, I will eventually become happy. But the moment I'm waiting to be happy, I would never be grateful. I didn't buy you food. You were the one that made yourself happy because you chose to reflect and be grateful. Then you must learn to be grateful. Glory to God.
Happy Sunday.
Yes. I hope you went to church because we did.
We were blessed.
Today's service was about showing gratitude to God.
Don't have to focus on the part that He has not done.
Yes.
We have a very beautiful testimony to share here. Like, it happened last night. Like, I am goodness, we have been doing a lot of renovation in our house. So we spent
a lot of money.
In fact, a lot of money. And we've not gotten our fridge.
The old fridge that we had before,
like it was leaking. It causes us to fall down. Sleep.
Yeah, we want to start doing things like meal prep. We need a bigger fridge. The other day we bought turkey because of the renovation.
We were not able to, cook in the kitchen because we did kind of
lot of things.
Yeah, so we didn't have access to our kitchen.
And then we can't use the sink. The plumber was not like completing the job on that same
so come
day.
Today, come the next day, like that.
We had to go downstairs to like ask the neighbor for help.
Please, can we store our turkey in the fridge? By the time I went to go and pick it up yesterday, you guys,
I was pissed.
Yesterday. Oh my God, you guys, it turned green. Like, I'm talking 1 kg of turkey. I was like, this just, oh my God, my phone is really.
Yeah, so they have not actually been light, and we need to get fuel so that we can create content.
Actually,
don't miss me too much. I'll be right back. It feels so weird to be the only one here. Like, this space is so empty. So Messi went to drop the cake downstairs so that we could, like, someone can help us get fuel. So as I was saying, the turkey got spoiled. Like, when I mean spoiled, it was green. It turned to color green. Oh my God, and it was smelling so bad. When we first saw it, we were so pissed, we were so angry, like, God. And we recently just got that got the oven. That oven, we already unboxed it, you saw it, and everything is just happening. Like, we're like, the next thing we wanted to get was fridge. God, please come and provide. You tell me why just this morning around 3 a.m. our brother called us. He called, and
god. Just imagine that we didn't pick that call. That call was call from God, like honestly. Then it was like we're just sharp talking, like we didn't even expect, like we're just telling him what happened this afternoon. When he heard it, it was like, how much is the fridge, this, that. So we went to check online, we checked for the price. Oh my god, how God used our brother.
You guys are crazy.
So like it sent that money out. You tell me how that fridge is on its way right now. Like this order, you guys.
So let me tell you something. God allowed that turkey to go bad in order for us to get our fridge. We have content to create today, and our deadline is tomorrow, Monday. So we need to, put ourselves together,
Create the content, post one today, and post the second one tomorrow.
Doesn't make sense now. Just got things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you? Do I know what time it is right now? After 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you. All she talking about is come and see me first. Come and see me first. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. How she hit me with a come and see me first. Come and see me first.
Yesterday we had a very productive and stressful day. We get extremely tired on content days. We are trying to better ourselves and saying, oh, let's try and be productive. Let's take down this break.
This is what they say, moving up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act. Atmosphere, big head, college park, harbor home, hummus smoking home, choking on that home wrong. Take off their southern cooking, they like a Dallas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's what I say, Shawty think cannabis, camera got that fire light, round here we find the sun, we keep it good and push it down, getting crunk up in the club, it gets done, all my ladies to the front, handle it, baby, bag it up, getting crunk up in the club, it gets done, what if they can do it, make strip into a bowling ball, still.
Hi guys, quick ootd. Yeah, so we just put out something from our wardrobe. We're like, let's just put on this outfit. What do you guys think? This is our braid. This is how we look like right now. We just feel so good right now, and we love it when all threes are complete. I mean, talking of hair, lashes, and nails, but we've not done our nails and our lashes, and we're going to be doing that today, guys. I don't know, I feel so good today. We woke up so early. Yeah, I think early at 6 a.m. I took our bath as early as 7. Clean the whole place, clean the whole house. I don't know. I just feel so good.
Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires.
We are done with our lashes, and this is how it came out, and I love them so much. And these lashes are from Table, in case you want to get yours. And this is the second time we're actually using this lash, and it's so comforting. Yes, we've had a lot of issues with lash tech. Like the last time that Goodness did our lashes, oh my god, we had to take it off the next day. I know how the glue they used to do lash extensions. It's oh mind this rash on my hand. Yeah, it's just rashes. So just picked this cream for rashes. When we fixing these nails last for that transition, we did only one round. And since then, it has been well, like, let's just fix the second one, manage it till you can go to the nail tech. Yeah. It's from Sally Hansen, Face Nail Dentist too. So we're just going to go ahead and fix this.
Real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your
So we're done with our little beauty maintenance. I kind of like how we are looking. Anyways, guys, we actually ordered some hair install tools. I want to do a little unboxing for you guys. Yeah, but before then, we want to have a little rant session. We actually ordered these items since like on Monday ago, right? That's Monday. Today is Tuesday. And today is Tuesday or Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Exactly. Yeah. So, you guys, this rider stressed us. After paying hilarious price, the lady gave us a contact that is the agency and not a direct contact. So we're like calling the agency and not the direct contact. And the guy came at 9. Like, no, he didn't even come at 9. It was the next morning. It came around 7. So you guys, our phone was off. Who the hell delivers package by 7? Can't he just come like from 8 o'clock and up? Why 7? Aside from that, why didn't he tell us prior to that day? Like, he should have called on that night that it was that he won't be able to deliver, that he will be able to deliver in the morning. Because mind you, that night he did not. He didn't even call us at all that Monday. So just the agents who were trying to talk to us. And it was like he was going to deliver it that Monday night. Like what happened if you called and inform us? I'm going to be there very early tomorrow. Like, the agency now said that we should pay for returning. In fact, it is well. Yeah. My problem now is that I'm going to be mad if I unbox this package and it's not exactly the same color. Like, I'm going to be so pissed if the colors are not exactly the same. I'm pissed because we like wearing the same thing, like the same color, everything. And if the lady fails to get it, because the lady specifically told her that there are 2 so and we like the same thing, that she makes sure that everything is done color, because some people is trying to act on their own self. Yes. So let's just pray that she actually did that.
I figure out you figure out me, we both a different breed. I'm following your lead, I ask you what you need, you say guaranteed. I mean, you say that like it's easy. You never believe me, told ya I got keys for these other girls sleeping on them, girl, I'm sleepy. Sometimes I'm so indecisive, but you're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight